Good morning to all of you. This is Dr. Pallavi Gupta. Today I will teach you public healthcare and private healthcare in India. This is the topic under healthcare law. The subtopics which I will discuss, that is the introduction of the topic, what is the meaning of public healthcare, what is the meaning of private healthcare, what is the difference between public healthcare and private healthcare. Introduction. As we have already discussed what is the meaning of healthcare in India and what are the issues at national and international level and what are the role of various international convention and United Nations agencies. Today I will discuss the topics public healthcare and private healthcare. Healthcare crisis call for basic healthcare needs like medical care, proper medical professionals and aid, availability of quality hospitals and healthcare system, a criteria which urge the mass to choose between public and private healthcare services in India. Therefore, Indian healthcare system includes public healthcare and private healthcare. Public healthcare. The public healthcare system is developed in order to provide a means to healthcare access regardless of socio-economic status or caste. Public healthcare is free and subsidized for those who are below the poverty line, specifically for children and women. Additionally, women and elderly persons are more likely to use public services. Public health center includes primary health centers, sub-health centers, community services, rural hospitals, health insurance scheme, central government health schemes. Private health centers. Practically, the private health center or healthcare is responsible for the majority of healthcare in India, and most healthcare expenses are paid directly out of pocket by patients and their families rather than through health insurance. There are several reasons to rely on private healthcare sectors. Main reason at the national level is poor quality of cares in the public sectors. Other reasons may be long wait times and inconvenient hours of operation. Private hospitals are funded by government. These are not funded by governments. They are run by one for the benefit and to avail services through direct payment from the patients. Difference between public and private healthcare center. Let us take first topic job satisfaction with the reference to public healthcare. Healthcare is not a profit maximizing industry in public healthcare. Doctors and nurses do not need financial incentives to do a good job but are motivated by aims of patient care and job satisfaction. In public healthcare, it is not a free market, no competition. Healthcare does not work as a free market. Patients tend to trust diagnosis of the doctors. They do not go shopping around for best or cheapest healthcare. Trying to introduce competition in healthcare is fruitless in public healthcare because in practice patients are not in a position to shop around choosing between different doctors. In public healthcare, consumer sovereignty does not apply to other market. Equality or easy access to all. Public healthcare provisions means everyone is having a right to access to this important public services. Cheaper treatment. Public healthcare system and hospitals gather their funds from the government, which makes it mandatory for them to cater to everyone. Hence, they are in no position to turn anyone down, even if they are penniless. As a result, citizens are forced to stand in long waiting lines. Many of them end up going to private hospital for timely treatment. Merit good. Healthcare is a merit good. People may underestimate the importance or benefit of going to doctor for a checkup or getting treatment. This could lead to some disease being left unchecked and becoming more serious and difficult to treat. Government subsidies. Public healthcare do not refuse treatment to any person. Government public healthcare for poor subsidize the public healthcare for poor children and elderly persons specifically. The problem of adverse selection. The problem with the private provision is that people who are likely to be unhealthy will have greatest desire to purchase healthcare insurance. This raises insurance premium. However, young healthy people will then be discouraged from buying relatively more expensive insurance. Therefore, many young people will not take out insurance, meaning insurers are left with a higher percentage of unhealthy people. This problem of the adverse selection requires some kind of government intervention to reduce average premium and make sure young healthy people do not neglect to take out health insurance. Rationing of budget. Since in public healthcare everyone is having a right to access public healthcare, but there is a discipline of sticking within the budgets and rationing healthcare to where it is needed most. With reference to private healthcare, it gives people greater choice to consumers. It is not limited by public budget, which may limit access to expensive treatment. Private healthcare firms may have efficiency incentives to provide better services than government bodies. With an aging population and increased range of treatment, demand for healthcare is rising factor for economic growth. Demand for private healthcare is rising faster than economic growth. A greater role for the private sector enables healthcare providers to keep up and reduce the burden on government spending, enabling lower tax. Government services can become bureaucratic and experience diseconomies of scale. It is argued that national health scheme is overstaffed with too many administrators. It is in the case of public healthcare, but in private healthcare, this sector can avoid this tendency of bureaucratic inefficiency. It has been seen bureaucracy is more likely to work in public healthcare, but in not private healthcare. Healthcare facilities in private sector are much more expensive than those in public sector. Private healthcare in India cost about 4 times more than the public sector, it is reported. At majority of all cases are treated by the private sector. There is also a strong notion that a large number of people are being forced to stop their ongoing cancer treatment or chemotherapy due to the high cost of the treatment in private sector. Private healthcare providers in India typically offer high quality treatment at a reasonable cost, as there is no regulatory authority or statutory natural body to check for medical malpractice. Private healthcare, on the other hand, have the right to refuse treatment to people who they feel are in no position to feed for themselves, but they have to abide by the law of stabilizing anyone who has an emergency. Meaning thereby, public healthcare center cannot refuse for the treatment of any person, but private healthcare center can refuse to give the treatment, although in emergency they have to take it. So this is the basic difference between private healthcare and public healthcare. The next topic is constitutional provisions related to health.